Welcome to MarineMax Huntington. Today we're going to walk through a all-new Boston Whaler 330 Vantage that is here in stock at MarineMax Huntington. Starting here off the transom, we have the Mercury V10 400s. This boat is equipped with a live well, a rear sink, the transom seat. We have two fish boxes in the floor, starboard side dive door, making boarding the boat very easy. We have a refrigerator drawer in the back here, along with a freshwater shower. Like on all the Boston Whaler Vantages, many different seating configurations here. That is a standard table that pops up. We also have the retractable sunshade and the hardtop. We have isinglass for the both port and starboard side windows. And we have the new option available now on the 330 Vantage is the full glass front windshield. Big insulated cooler. Moving forward, we have one large Simrad display, VHF radio, your joystick piloting, all your switching, port side, bathroom compartment, starboard side underneath the helm is your cabin. Moving forward, plenty of bow seating up here. We have a filler cushion option, we have a table option, we have the bow sunshade option, very easy access to your windlass. And take a look at this when you shut the windshield. This comes over really easy. That comes down, giving you a ton of protection. Give us a call at 631-956-4865. Thank you.